So my role is Operations Director. So I oversee the day-to-day running of the business, from the production to the sales ordering. I oversee the majority of that. We manufacture PVC and aluminium. We've been going here 37 years. We recently expanded just a year and a half ago from next door, so we have 2 sites now, so 2 locations. We needed new technology with how quickly we expanded. The options available that you guys have offered us allowed us to expand in the right manner with the amount of new staff we had. It allows me to look at the attendance, the timings, the CCTV, obviously the security of the company itself at all hours of the day. Time attendance monitoring is really important to our production figures. We work on how many trains per week we can do. If there are members of staff that are perhaps 5-10 minutes late over the course of a week or 2, obviously our production figures will be significantly lower. And over the course of months to 2 months, that will have an effect on the business and how many we can make a day. And if we're not making enough a day or enough a week, then obviously we're letting our local customers down. It really has a big impact in how we move forward. So service from Almas has been second to none. It really has been fantastic. They made sure that we were getting the right technology that we needed, which is more importantly, there wasn't anything that we didn't need. Everything that we have installed, we are using. It really has helped us grow at the right rate and allowed us to plan and look forward and manage our production a hell of a lot easier. The head of technology, Ash, and the planning coordinator, Richard, they really have bent over backwards for us moving forward and getting everything done so quickly. When it's only just timings and CCTV that we're talking about, but it plays such a huge part to what we do here. And the efficiency for how quickly it was installed was amazing, really.